All right. Our leveling protein synthesis re itse DNA le RNA pila re le replication ra tsena ka DNA profiling ka daso. So no are no levelang protein synthesis. First of all, are dealing with the terminology, key terminology because in most cases we don't these terms, and then I think I'm going to give an exact term. I was for same time. Good. So, kind of protein. Remember, we return the organic molecules. Part of them was the protein. The protein really dates you again. Dates you again the amino acids. So the amino acids are the building blocks. The monomer. The word monomer is our building block. Building block. Again, really building block, for example, the nucleic acid, DNA, RNA, the nucleotide. Now, building block of the protein, if you know, the amino acid. And one thing, to something is if you have amino acid, your bondale amino acid, a bondale a bondale up until gets a whole protein. Bond between the amino acid, the peptide bonds. Peptide bonds. And then this whole structure, a protein is polypeptide. What? Good. So, amino acid. Next level base triplet. So, base triplet again. Remember renally. Remember the, let's say renally DNA. Ashi DNA how? Let's say renally ATA. And then GCC. CCC GTA. Good. So again, sequence yadi nucleotides. Now base triplets repeat 3 nucleotide bases, one after the other on a DNA. So can base triplets are leveling. Can base triplets say 1 base triplet. Again 1, 2, 3 nucleotides, one after the other. 2, 3, 4. So that's what base triplets are. Nucleotides one after the other. And then redivita. If we kamara DNA le RNA. So if kamara DNA, regard the base triplets kamara DNA or mRNA, not just any other RNA, mRNA. Redivita again, the codon. So when I say a codon, I mean these base triplets. So, for example, how many codons do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4 codons. So, codons are defined as 3 nitrogenous bases, one after the other on mRNA. These are complementary to triplets on DNA. Good. Then, anticodon. Anticodon regrako tRNA. The base triplets is more tRNA. And so again, the complementer mRNA. Maratlatana mo later on. Then, lastly, protein synthesis is divided into 2 parts, 2 processes. Part 1 is DNA, not DNA, the transcription, transcribing a message from DNA. Part 2 ra translate. Agro opola ho transcribe go khoto ba reduce. Re kono transcribe motho a bolela ra kwala re are. So re tsia message yo motho na bolela or during the case ra transcribe into words. And then if ka English o mong are no na go tlhalwanya ka English are translating into setswana. You understand? So basically transcription basically the cleverity DNA, a certain DNA sequence, a piece of a DNA sequence, retranscribe into an mRNA sequence. And then after that, mRNA ya tswa nucleus, by nuclear pause, go cytoplasm, go ribosome, go read translation. mRNA sequence translated into the protein. Each and every person only the following. Only 20 different amino acids. These amino acids form different polypeptides, meaning they form different proteins according to how they are arranged. So the sequence of amino acid ke yone tlo determinang gore re dira protein e. Ne? So the genes that they kry mo DNA, they code for specific proteins, bila B. And then those polypeptides they form again the peptide bonds. Rashab, good. So what is really the importance here the triplets, the base triplets in the the base triplets which basically called amino acids molecule place more thing. For example, basically according to a certain sequence with a protein. Then the sequence of these amino acids will determine the type of amino acid, the type of protein we have. Now that refers to ka jargon, a couple of terminologies. Relay transcription, protein synthesis is divided into two stages. Transcription, location, ira laga ko nucleus. Then location here, translation ira laga ko cytoplasm. When the cytoplasm in the ribosome. Ne? Good. First things first, we go transcription. Ne? Go transcription. But redraw it. Let's draw it. Let's just draw it very quickly. So are the camera nucleus. Remember location, Rakamara nucleus. Nucleus. Camara nucleus how? Renally DNA. DNA a wound up. We say that the DNA is wound up. Yeah? Now, first thing that needs to happen during transcription, that DNA needs to unwind. The DNA needs to start unwinding. Yeah? I gotta show you the nitrogen base at the peril. It needs to unwind. So, step by step. So, step 1, DNA unwinds. Ya tatulloha beno e tshwana le DNA e tshwana ke double helix e tshwana le o ile o twister step ladder o twister so ra sa untwister step ladder sele gore di nucleotide bases di be exposed. Number 2, that's not DNA e unwind. Now it unzips. Ya unzip ne arboile koyo. Now I can unwind. I don't know step 1 ne unwind. Then ashile yanzip ne unzips. Ashile yanzipile mola. Ranzipile DNA ya rena. But what are you noticing about DNA unzip? We only unzip a certain portion of the DNA. Ne? Unzips only a certain section. Arno unzipa DNA yotle. Re itse DNA mo re nyaka protein ya rona e code ke mo fela in the whole DNA. So I rebereke too much. During this unzipping, you will notice that the hydrogen bonds break. Between what? Between nucleotide. No, not nucleotide, nitrogenous bases, sorry. Between nitrogenous bases. So the hydrogen bonds still are here and zipper mola, ya separate. Dia break haven. Ne? Good. Resala ka imbe ulibe. Let me use another color. We're consistent. Then they become exposed. Ne? For the sake of this lesson, could we only this section? Ne? Yanzi. Hey Anzipa, remember that nale code area. For example, nale A T A G C C G T A. ne a re ke section e fela ke yona e nyakang ke yona e tlo re fang protein ya re section e fela ya DNA. So let's now yanzi but choose a one template. How? The next step, ne? Only one template is used. The other one in non-coding template, ne? A template, not non-coding, in non-template. Non-template ke yona template strand sorry. Ele kodi mari tile mo yona nyaka e one akri ya tshwana ditse nyaka section e one. Okay, fine. So after more we then re deep within the nucleus, ne? And ka mora nucleus ko nucleus ko o ka lebella pile hona le inside this nucleoplasm hona le free nucleotides. Which nucleotides? RNA nucleotides, ne? These free nucleotides will now form an mRNA strand. Because it's an RNA, it's going to be a single strand. So re tlo forma another strand, ne? So forma strand se simple atomic strand is forma according to the template. So this is going to be a complementary mRNA strand. So A will attract U. Remember, renally U go mRNA RNA thymine, then a very A, and then a very C. A very G, a very C. Yamafello codon yamafello a very agranali A. Kagwa arna tirnali U. A U. Ne? So this is our mRNA complementary. Kier nyakang we yet. Why? It's a message guys so. Ni wisa go ribosome re mana re nyaka protein eso. Hes na ho fela. Ho ka level. Ro feletsa rena le strand se se biana sa mRNA a no stra mo fatshe. A re thome go left. Ne rena le so. Rena le strand se. Rena le U, rena le A, rena le U, and then renale C, renale G, renale G, and then renale C, A, U. So ke strand se la se se formuleng. So strand se sa tloa bjano a se bjano se ya kae se ya ko a ke re feditse bjano re ke le message o itse tshwana le basically DNA synthesis tshwana le manufacturing, ne? Ko BM banya ko the latest AMG, ne? G-Wagon e tla ke BM man. Ko Mercedes Benz banya ko the latest AMG G-Wagon ko Mercedes Benz. So what happens? Mercedes Benz inyako manufacture, ne? But I think ba nile plan the designer ke DNA. So re roma motho ke mRNA re tsa mo re tsela design ya koloi eo a sure a fitla go copya design ya koloi eo ke mRNA ke messenger o tla le messenger a sure itshwere bjano in the form of the codon a re ke tshwere message ya wa wira koloi eo manufacturer go ga ape re ka se go design ra manufacturer go design la kona ra go manufacturing bjano very fitla da so go BM go Mercedes Benz. Go Mercedes Benz sentse ba manufacturer but ba ka se manufacturer ba le plan. Okay, plan A here leveletse either koloi so or re nyaka di parts so sentse ba di odd That's where the tRNA, transfer RNA, it will transfer the different amino acids. It's like the parts, and then we start making that polypeptide, which is a protein. So far, really, we got the message. We got the plans on how to make this protein. When re shota ka gore etse messenger morongwa a tswa tsamaya ne a ka re manufacture le ko kae a re manufacture le ko nucleus ke ko designing ra baya so mRNA strand ya kae so we ra bua ka di step tsa rona re tsamaya ka di step ra bua number 6 then the mRNA moves out of the nucleus through nuclear pores, and then I go to the next step again. So basically this is what really happens. That's what happens. Ne? So in summary, a section of the DNA unwind. Ne? Those weak hydrogen bonds they are break the hydrogen bonds in then unzip. Unzip that particular section. Unzip if the DNA unzip the whole thing. Just a small section. Ne? Just a small section that codes. After the unzipper, one strand. Remember, the other one is a non-template. So the other one is a non-template. And the other one, your template strand. Then, this DNA template, to form a complementary mRNA, messenger RNA. This is done using different nucleotides, nucleoplasm, then mRNA contain code for the protein and then 3 adjacent nitrogenous bases on the mRNA are now known as a codon. These code for a particular amino acid. Mara go bonera go the next process. Then mRNA ya via it's the nuclear pores into the cytoplasm. So basically it looks something like this. The RNA nucleotides they line up the ANC, but we got hydrogen bonds are the breaker are breaking. I want she break. Isn't it a better? Recode limos yatwa lahap. Chile recode. Rewrite a full mRNA strand. Ne? Come connect mRNA strand sa tswa shile ka nucleus chile ra go the next process even re bona p. So basically that's what really happens. As a form of exercise, ne kinya gore re transcribe I'll help you transcribe the first 3. We don't transcribe it remove from get transcription DNA to RNA mRNA. So if populate a base triplet on your DNA as ACA, mRNA codon yoba A was supposed to be T, but go RNA are not thymine. So yoba are not yoba U, ne? U, and then A yoba G, and then A yoba U. The same common number 2. Base triplet number 2 to a codon yoba U. A U. Triplet number, base triplet number 3, refer T refer A refer U, and G refer C. When I tell la pele, with a task of fill it up until number 10. Then they will fill it. Now I think I know give it. Okay, we read more tasks in your textbook.